Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly and I am back with another video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for the vibes. So we need to title these videos. I'm thinking let's get active with Shelly. So we're here at this beautiful park. There is at least 6 to 10 tennis courts. These are called half courts because you're using them by yourself. They have a dog park, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on this tripod. I'm gonna put you closer to the fence just in case you guys drop. At least you'll have some cushion. Let's see. All right, so it has the full, it's an exercise ring clothes, and I haven't started anything yet. What happened is I was making juices. I had a productive day. Hey y'all, welcome to my wellness video. So if this is your first time here on my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. My name is shellyinnovativehands, and on this channel we do all things fitness, faith, lifestyle, beauty. We do a little bit of traveling. We are all about health and wealth. On this particular video, this is a random day where I'm just moving my body because, to be honest, health is the true wealth. If you're not healthy, no matter how much money you have, you're gonna have to spend that money, your wealth, on getting healthy. So in reality, why not move your body so that we can avoid those things? So on this fitness journey, I do a lot of different activities just to keep my body moving. So my goal is just to move my body. So whatever it is that I can do on a daily basis to keep myself active, because then, you know, we're getting up there in age, and not only that, but most importantly, our body, we should think of our body like a tree. The more you water it, the stronger, the taller it gets, and the stronger it becomes. And so because me being a tree planted, and I want to continue to be stronger the older I get, I want to become wiser in knowledge. So these are some of the things that I am doing on a daily basis to get me to the places where I want to be physically and also mentally. I also want to urge you to continue. If you are already someone that do a lot of fitness, continue doing that. And if you haven't begun, I urge you to start today. I know it's not going to be easy. Oftentimes I battle with myself. Yeah, even a fitness girly, someone that is on a wellness journey, someone that goes walking on a regular, goes to the gym, you know, and even sometimes would, you know, find other different activities like tennis to do. I still find myself fighting myself, or I still find it difficult some days to pick up where I left off when it comes to my fitness journey. So of course, outside looking in, it always would look easy. For an example, if you turn your television on right now and you put on a workout, the instructor that is instructing you, once you're looking at that instructor, to you it seems like that person is doing it very easily, and you the moves come so swiftly. But truth be told, even that instructor that is instructing you has their difficulties and their difficult moments and their time. And they probably also have times when they too don't want to, you know, do the things that they're doing to keep themselves fit.
It's so normal now. Yeah, I'm vlogging and I'm on live. Yeah. Oh God. Yeah.
What is that? That's a camera?
Yeah. You want to set my camera high?
So this dad, his daughter, and his grandkid saw me playing, and they wanted to know what I was doing. So I often refer to myself of not being friendly, but people that actually know me knows that I am a social butterfly. That I would often speak to anyone that I meet, because I really believe that being nice is one thing that everyone should experience, and it owes you nothing to be nice, to be honest.
Look, I'm going to show you how to play.
But you can play. What side you're playing now?
Paddle.
You can play it on there too, but this is a tennis style.
Oh, I never realized.
Yeah, so the full card is for 2 persons, and if you're playing by yourself, you do it in a half court.
Oh.
Yeah.
I never even knew you could play this by yourself.
Yes, you can. Yeah, you don't need. I mean, it's good to play with someone else.
How do you play by yourself? You don't mind me asking. I'm just curious.
Because we're doing basically the same thing, but it's called 2 different things. So it's the same.
Yeah, but how do you score against yourself?
No, you're not scoring.
Oh.
You can't keep no scores. You can just, once you know the game, you basically know the ins and outs when you score and when you didn't score.
All right. Yeah.
Right? But other than that, you just really exercise.
You're just playing having fun.
Right.
So I can serve.
But it's good to keep yourself active, you know?
Yeah, no, I haven't played this in years.
See? And
I just never knew you could play it by yourself.
yes, you can. I see you're doing pretty good. Be careful. Because sometimes all is coming towards you and you're like, is it really coming?
Well, I don't like playing with my father because he hits too hard.
Right. Oh, that's your dad?
Yeah. It's scary when he plays his power.
Is he a lefty?
He hits both ways.
Oh,
Yeah, he hits both ways.
wow. That's amazing.
Yeah, no, he's good. He's been playing.
Sorry, baby.
He's been playing his whole life.
Wow.
I used to play handball, where we don't even use this.
Yeah, we don't even do that anymore. Because when I was growing up, we would use this to hit people. They would call it parking, but people don't do that anymore.
No, I never see people doing that.
No.
Oh, sorry, Donna.
It's amazing how some sports evolve.
Huh?
I say it's amazing how some sports evolve, like
Yeah.
changes.
I remember.
Or it dies out.
You ever play like racquetball where you have all the balls? That used to be so much fun.
So fun, right?
No one does that anymore.
And it's like you did a lot of running.
Oh yeah, you were going
had to
all
run.
over the place hitting the ball. Hitting it this way all the time.
Uh-huh.
So much fun.
That's not normal now.
No, nobody knows what it is.
No, that's why I said a lot of the sports we played when we were younger, it died out. Ooh. Sorry. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, you got it.
I love playing tennis because you sweat easier, and then you work your entire body.
I suck at it though, but I love it. I love playing.
It's a really nice chord.
It's not easy to play.
No, it isn't easy to play, but once you get the hang of it, it's
Yeah,
really good.
it's fun.
Yeah.
It is. It's a fun sport to play, especially if you got a good people who like meet you, like where you're at.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Which is so true.
You gotta find the people with the same amount of talent.
Stamina as you, right? That's so true. Ah! I hate when it comes so close to my face. Is today a holiday? Oh, I'm like, the sign said holiday. I'm like, what? I'm probably living underneath a rock.
I don't know what president's holiday.
Hey, y'all.
Wanna try playing?
This?
All four of us?
Sure.
Because
Am I able to play with this? Oh, y'all. I'm going to learn how to play this one. Do y'all mind if you guys are in it?
no.
Okay. I have to. I got these little silver things that comes with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I'm going to place this on the windshield here. Just so I can have my Pocket 3 sticking to the windshield. Let's see if this works. I think I want it like right here. I'm not gonna push it down too far just to see if it works. Okay, so I have to stick it down, unfortunately. Okay, so I'm trying to see if this angle is perfect, because where I'm putting it at, I don't really like that, but I probably can get an extension. Y'all don't mind all of this, so I'm gonna just leave that there. See if I can peel it off. Girl, that thing is stuck. It did come with a few of them. I'm going to put one of these on the glass behind me so that I can, I'm just trying to find like different angles. So yeah. And that one is stuck to that. All right, so we want to do a what's in my gym bag session. So this is pink. I want to show you my gym bag and what's in there. Okay, so these are all of the stuff. All right, so we can get 9 more.
Right.
Okay,
I mean,
go pay for the 9
we could try to squeeze 10.
10. Okay.
6, 9. Yeah.
Okay. Come.
That's it?
How much
No.
This is what I'm doing when I say I'm busy. busy. So we can get 9 more.
Right.
Okay.
I mean,
Go pay for the 9
we could try to squeeze 10.
10. Okay.
6, 9. Yeah.
Okay. Come.
So my siblings and I, we rotate days or occasions in going to shop for our family restaurant. This is
Iba
my
mucho
little
leve,
sister
you know.
recording me. I was lifting some of the products. Sometimes when we go to these stores, we
I
have
do
to
it
lift
down.
these things by ourselves.
So
In the
you
next
didn't tell
step,
me
you're
that.
going to see the amount of carts that we have, and these things, most of them are over 50 pounds. You guys already know my siblings don't like to be on camera. See you in the next vlog. I love you. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.